Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set a picture as background in OneNote. This is a great way to personalize your notes, create themed notebooks, or add visual context to your pages. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're on the page where you want to add the background image. Once your notebook is fully loaded, you're ready to begin the customization process. To set a picture as background in OneNote, you'll first need to add the image you want to use. Head to the Insert menu located on the top part of your screen and click on it. This menu contains all the tools you need to add various elements to your OneNote pages, including images, tables, and other media. From the Insert menu, look for the Pictures option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices for where you can insert images from. From these choices, click on the From File option. This allows you to browse your computer for the image you want to use as your background. A File Explorer window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll navigate to the location where your desired image is stored. Take your time to locate the right image, whether it's in your Downloads folder, Documents, or anywhere else on your device. Once you've found it, select the image you wish to set as background by clicking on it, then click on Insert from the File Explorer window. The image will now be added to your OneNote page and you'll see it appear on your workspace. At this point, it's just a regular image on your page, not yet set as the background. To convert this image into a background, simply right-click on the image. A context menu will appear with several options for what you can do with the image. From this list of options, click on Set as Picture Background, and that's it. Your selected image is now set as the background of your OneNote page. This background will stay in place while you add text, drawings, or other content on top of it, giving your page a more personalized and visually appealing look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.